Case 5 is a cat that was bitten by a dog 24 hours earlier and comes in with difficulty breathing and a high temperature and wounds on his body. The radiograph reveals a pneumothorax and some fluid in the thoracic cavity. The thorax is aspirated and 2 mLs of cloudy pinkish tan fluid are pulled. The total protein is 3.6. This fluid is not spun at this point. A drop is put on a microscope slide, a squash smear is made, and diff quicked, and this is the fluid cytology. Pretty much like the TARP dog, we know that this is going to be an exudate fluid due to the number of nucleated cells in here. The predominant cell type, 95% plus, is neutrophils. They are really starting to be degenerative here. They're starting to get fuzzy. Also noted is a macrophage here in the middle. When I looked at this slide, there was probably about 95% degenerative neutrophils and 5% macrophages. Remember, macrophages are the monocytes of the blood that go out into the tissue and help clean up things. So yeah, it kind of looks like a monocyte, but they can get really big in these infections and start to look really crazy, but this one's a little bit more like a monocyte. So the first question is, what type of fluid? This is an exudate due to the high total protein and cellularity of the fluid. The predominant cell type is degenerative neutrophils, that making this an inflammatory effusion. And is the sample septic or non-septic? Again, I'm pretty much seeing that we probably have got some bacteria in here somewhere. It's kind of hard to see on low power. Ooh, here's some right here. But if I go down to oil immersion, we can plainly see bacteria in this neutrophil. This is a septic effusion of the chest. These are both macrophages.